We're focused on S1 for this block of learning, and the majority of our S1 learners are at level 2 or 3 in the BGE level. The pupils are new to us, that's why we've chosen S1, and because the pupils are new to us, we're not basing our judgments on any prior learning. We're basing our judgments purely on the evidence that we'll collect through this benchmarking process. We're not reinventing the wheel. One of the reasons we chose the E's and O's that we chose were because they fitted into the course that we already have in place. So it just involved moving the order of things around a little bit. We look at Hinduism and Christianity, and within these two religions we're able to address the beliefs outcomes that are in the beliefs benchmark quite well. The only thing that was missing from our current course was the presence of a non-religious viewpoint. So to that end we've added a section on humanism and looking at Humanism Scotland in order to be closer to meeting the benchmark and covering the wide range that's required within that benchmark. We're looking at a model where we've got 3 sections. In S1 we're looking at beliefs and the benchmarks that are associated with beliefs. In S2 we'll go on to look at practices and traditions, and in S3 we'll focus on the benchmarks that are related to values and issues, so that over the course of the 3 years of BG in secondary we'll have covered the 3 areas within RME in the BGE course. The E's and O's that we've chosen, I won't go into describing them all, but they are the E's and O's that are associated with the 2 benchmarks on belief, and I want to link a few examples into that further later on. We've also incorporated literacy outcomes as well as the outcomes associated with the benchmarking, so that helps to kind of give a more robust levelling process, because if you're looking at the literacy outcomes and they're matching up with the RME outcomes, then you're getting a clearer picture of the learner's level. The outcomes that we're looking at are levels 204 and 304A, 204, 304C, and within these outcomes we're addressing them by looking at Hinduism and looking at the process of reincarnation, the idea of karma and moksha and what that means for Hindus, and we're getting pupils to look at these in a reflective way rather than just taking on knowledge and processing it. So it's starting to equip pupils with the skills of analysis, evaluation, investigation and so on. The Christianity E's and O's that are linked to the benchmarking for beliefs are 301A, 301B, 301C, and also 201A, 201B, 201C, and these are addressed through the study of the Nativity, the Incarnation and the Christian Festival of Christmas. The last of the outcomes that we chose was 309A, and that outcome is, through reflection and discussion I can explain a range of beliefs which people hold and can participate in debates about ultimate questions. And that outcome is there because it kind of covers all 3. We look at the idea of reincarnation, karma, moksha in Hinduism. We look at the idea of incarnation, the life of Jesus, the festival of Christmas in Christianity, and we look at humanism in Scotland as a belief system, and we tie these 3 together in this outcome, which I believe takes us closer to meeting the benchmark.